Wow, that's a great luck and good luck of you all guys. Then you are in a really an interesting and motivated class, and this is, you know, that why I saying that in that class you will find whether you invest any kind of money or not, it doesn't matter. You can freely you can achieve money, and I will give the reason. I will give that platform to you, dear. And you know, then I'm starting from me that you can affiliate marketing. You can be affiliate first, and you know that by affiliate marketing you can earn a lot of money. And that is, I'm not saying because when I sleep, you know that every month, initially I started that. I'm not saying that I'm the great affiliate and I'm building my affiliation that 2 or 3 years, because I never speak lie to you, because I never believe that I speak anything a lie. But from the beginning, I have started in 45 days there, and in recent time, you know that the approximate 70,000 to 130, 1,30,000, the approximate that monthly earning on that affiliate marketing. And now I'm going to tell you that you can affiliate in throughout your courses what you are doing well. And you know that as you know that you grab this opportunity, and as I have already told you that the people are thinking that they gradually powered that courses, you know that they find it, and they also feel sometimes then they got they expend 997 or something else, then they did a wrong thing because they just said 997 is too much. And now I'm going to show you what the really cost of my product is that. And the people are taking it easily, they are purchasing easily from that. And you know that throughout the webinar, I'm showing the combo packs and like that, the offers I'm selling that. But reality is that in the open market, the products price is too much high, as I have told you earlier. And you know, the one by one products are selling, and you people, when you get engaged with me, and definitely because if you sell that product, and what if you affiliate from that product, what the benefit you will get. And now I am going to show you the screen here, and what's going on. This is the screen, the platform of being affiliated with us. Instamojo. Yeah, this is the platform. Here you can find an Instamojo. Firstly, you have need to create your Instamojo, as I have told, as I develop here. And when you find your Instamojo dashboard, and then after you can come on here like reseller. How can you get here? Right in the select products, and you can write here like Facebook expert trainer. You can watch here. Here some guys are giving 20%, some guys are giving 10%. Okay, sorry. Facebook ads expert trainer. Yeah, Facebook Ads Expert Trainer. Here you can watch my courses are there, and you can watch the commission is 30%, and this is here you can get your commission 30% is there. Just here you can find that link, because I have entered in my ID, so this is creating some problem. This is creating some issues because I have entered in my ID. Just wait. When you enter it from your ID, you can watch everything because I'm entering in my ID, so that's why the problems are there. Like reseller, life skills, and mega course. Here you can watch the price 1250. Here resale, and then you can get the copy link, and when you get the copy link, and you can uh, just show that I'm just showing you that where is the copy link here. Preview link. Here you can copy, and like that on your web page where you wish to, you just throw on it. You just throw on it. Here, just paste your link, and then after you will be the when anyone will purchase, just try to do it on your social platform like that. Okay, now you get easily understand the simple method. You can be affiliate because all the products what you are getting from me, then all the products you can find in Instamojo, and just start your affiliate from CR Digital Academy, because you are my students, and that is my responsibility to make you earn. And when this courses will sell throughout you, because for that you don't have need to create your own courses, and this is the simplest part. This is the simplest thing that you guys have to do, and you know that when you do that, definitely you will get 30% of that just sharing the copy link. This just search my links, search my all the courses on Instamojo. Firstly, you have to create your own account on Instamojo. The simple process, each and everything. Just search on something, and just you can search on Google search, a YouTube search. Then you can understand that how to create the Instamojo account. This is so simple thing is that. And when you create that, just go in the reseller, search my all courses, and then after just copy all the courses link and copy a notepad, and because save on notepad, and every day the work only just give 3 to 5 minutes to introduce in your all social media platform, like your WhatsApp, your LinkedIn, your any type of platform, Facebook or whatever, Instagram, where you are. Then you just need to paste the link there, and just remove that link and write something best like that. this course I am using, and by this course my life is changed. And the people who know about you, those are your friends. They will see that your life is changed, and definitely they click on that. And definitely the people who are interested on that, they will purchase that courses. And as you purchase your courses, then InstaMojo recognize you, then 30%, because they will provide the 70% whatever my cost is that. And sorry, uh, they will give you 30% to you, and 5% the InstaMojo will take, and approximately 65% uh, money the transfer in my account. So this is the simplest process that InstaMojo, I will tell you others also, but you can start from here. And this is the simplest thing, and you can earn money, huge amount of money. At least if you start from my courses, at least you can earn 50,000 rupees every month from to sell my courses only. So this is just the real information for all the buddies. Those are participating in my courses, and the good luck of you all guys. Then you are in CRA Digital Academy. Then because I feel that if the person, so many people, those take admission in my courses, but they feel uncomfortable to make their own courses. They feel that they have a lot of problems, and there are so many people are thinking like that. So I'm not saying that 100% the people will create their courses. They will think positively. They will think, but I am not saying that they cannot earn. If they give some invest some money in my courses, then definitely I will give them 1,000 times every month, and that's my duty. And because they trust on CRA, and that's why I am going to tell you that this is why uh, you know that the people are engaging too much in my courses. Then I am giving, I am providing. At least I have shown that 50,000 rupees per month, each and everybody can earn. Whether they create their own courses or not, by the affiliate, at least they start from me. And you know that you just throw an on your social link every day, only 3 to 5 minutes, not more than that, and you can watch that definitely later to 1 month. What will be the reaction of your friends or followers on your profile? The people will watch on your profile. So good luck all of you guys. And first you make your InstaMojo account, and then you start to search my all the courses, and each and every courses have 30% amount. Because if suppose that the price is 2,000, then you can acquire 700 rupees without any doing, without any making courses, without any giving any, because all the responsibility of me here. Because if there are no public issue, uh, you know that nobody will tell you anything, nobody will complain anything, because each and everything, because when they call, they call on CRT, and when they complain, they will complain on me. And you know that what's value I'm providing in my courses. So that's why the people who will get engaged, definitely they will also be developed, and they will also get the chance to earn a lot of money here. So that's why I'm saying that just do the simple step, just do the simple thing, and you will be earn approximately 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees every month. You may earn to just affiliate with CRA, and all the courses just every day. You just give 3 to 5 minutes, and you have potential to earn 50 to 1 lakh rupees, 50,000 to 1 lakh rupees. And next video, I am going to tell you, I will tell you the other affiliation, other sites, then from where you can earn easily. And till then, goodbye and take care too.